Welcome to Poetrymix. Emergency flood repair. Floods are a natural disaster that can wreak havoc on communities, causing significant damage to homes, infrastructure, and the environment. In the United States, numerous regions face the recurring threat of flooding, from coastal areas susceptible to hurricanes to inland regions prone to heavy rainfall and river overflow. When floods strike, the immediate response is crucial to ensure the safety of residents and mitigate the damages. Emergency flood repair plays a vital role in restoring hope, rebuilding communities, and enhancing resilience across the nation. Immediate response and safety measures. In the face of a flood emergency, the first priority is to ensure the safety and well-being of affected individuals. Local authorities, emergency services, and organizations work together to evacuate people from high-risk areas, providing them with temporary shelters and necessities. Evacuation plans and early warning systems are developed and improved over time to enhance the response efficiency. Search and rescue operations are launched to save lives, especially in cases where individuals may be trapped or stranded due to rising waters. These operations involve the coordinated efforts of emergency personnel, volunteers, and specialized teams, utilizing boats, helicopters, and other resources to reach affected individuals in remote or inaccessible areas. Infrastructure restoration. Once the floodwaters recede, the focus shifts to the repair and restoration of damaged infrastructure, including roads, bridges, power lines, and public facilities. The task of emergency flood repair requires a collaborative approach involving federal, state, and local authorities, as well as various agencies, contractors, and volunteers. Government agencies such as the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, play a crucial role in providing financial assistance, coordinating resources, and supporting affected communities in their recovery efforts. FEMA's Public Assistance Program helps fund the repair, restoration, and reconstruction of public infrastructure, while the Individual Assistance Program provides financial aid to affected homeowners and renters for home repairs, temporary housing, and other disaster-related expenses. In addition to government support, nonprofit organizations, community groups, and volunteers contribute significantly to the emergency flood repair process. These dedicated individuals assist in cleaning up debris, salvaging belongings, and helping homeowners with the initial steps of recovery. Building resilience and future preparedness. Floods can have long-lasting effects on communities, making it crucial to focus not only on immediate repairs but also on building resilience for the future. This involves implementing measures to mitigate flood risks and improve preparedness. Floodplain mapping and risk assessment are important tools that help identify areas prone to flooding and enable better land use planning. By implementing zoning regulations and building codes that take flood risks into account, communities can reduce the impact of future floods on infrastructure and residents. Investments in flood control infrastructure, such as levees, flood walls, and stormwater management systems, are essential for minimizing flood damages. These measures aim to redirect or control floodwaters, safeguarding vulnerable areas and reducing the risk to both residential and commercial properties. Education and public awareness campaigns play a significant role in promoting flood safety and preparedness. By educating individuals on flood risks, emergency procedures, and the importance of flood insurance, communities can enhance their resilience and reduce the potential impact of future flood events. Thanks for watching.